Alright. Hey. Hey. Nevi kawala tekewo. Zoyo kolarezari. Nena jinsi kanyukula haleti turule mamaninia. Hey. Neya saya. Neya saya. Badara musani dede. Kaya saya. Karada sani dede. Mimia. Yes. Sister Sokandanya kwa no bia. Ne tuko yina TV so. Bima ya gumu chantu mu asti ka no zo mu aka. So ne yina TV be ya ko ka vile Asia so mi bol ba do de no wa do de no amor. Do de ya pupa na TV so ya na won ga fara Nfurka manten banyabgo amma mitin nan da program ma shamya sungo nuko borna te start program ma sham umbor man mina saha katiya pu kapa jabar na kan kutura na na tamlana tehne mollan wancan mina sa hanya fiyatiti na won gafara katakana te sanpe ni te borsinya nyatin to pal alqawl shaltan bana duniya saha saha kan sungo nkuye malama jilala ya kapu bana ma sababi ya pu na kankana yoma ka bebe kantan ka ba program ma na won nan abarka nan apibu puniya ayal muksarani nyeshale na wona ozoma na bwaka vulu kaja amal korsene shele bobu kamza hanyele karanye alafi karanye arsike buma karanye bobo min bonyele to suru man na wona zomte mina sa hanna bwaw katte to korsene nyeshale ya o itete muncha ka o yadda kada bele puni kata nan amfani na larpina ma duniya wo na piana alkiyama ya. All right, waru yunubono Muhammad Hafiz aka Chiefes shitopina nyasi yaga belichin bitum ka pisan karasu goble bomberle ne torle annaba no hungar waru ya pupa na palgara so kama kunyo chokole ya chakanyati ga ka bana apia atuzo ayanga apanso semnati fuzo pir woma o chalma kashir annabi sufu shifa biam bia karapuni no dirgo so to gobla alquran na kun fayakunu no zazo katabub kafne ne kanna ala tabarakallah dede ma ka goma ya dani NTV programme ma mi tigahla yul bolle den chana semin sin yanda trenden katele biya go puni nyanya ye to ashal dem bier kamal anfanate amin ashindel sa hanan bangindi katata na tati ya targiya. All right, mimiya zungo programme ma ya na won gafara indi ya malla two major headline stories nan nan kana san interview ma zan tana. One story ma da yala dane cracks in the NPP leadership. What's the beef? Cracks in the NPP leadership. What at all is the beef? Wurumbu mabu walgu but yala din kaptena NPP wabu party ma to telepuni. Kasokam borno ya nunguni yala kara sale. Kasokam borno ya nunguni nyanguna kara chakar affect la karmal direct nambu insang the grassroots ma halakara ting man la kamana ya shabor man no dodge responsibilities ka echo yirla la particular sabno ma MPP pambo puni just because bo borman da so biyo nan kan de borne ti ya sarse intelele yeto ala ma puni pa kana che another story that is coming true la story man yala dene Victory Electoral Area Assemblyman and his people vow to protect and keep prostitutes in Tamale against the order of the Dekwema Palace. Yes, Nedem Balama, no Victory Yalamo Assemblyman Mino Nyanga, but yina ban nan well taba. Ne Jamel Shabambe Yon Kwaharumang Maya, never Pomaka laps, never Shaba yet about Tamal Gumbele. Halaka the Tamalaka man Zelwina in Yam Dekem Yanga and Warren Jamel Tama, but yet by Yongo, got that said Assemblyman Mamino Nyanga Yalia. Ne bipon be ma be yi yongo songo be yi piano be yi dale inna ma sallu rahmanu kaya ye to arbe ni kata borna ti yelle tien chelera basale. Okay, mampun yala yo wisgada yala mun nkana to kamino no interview o mal na on santi ni vepa ga asabre dale o mal la concert no ka bola no made in Numberland ya saya wisga ni sa bembala balama de baye to arabian ododo dio baye to arabian ya ka wo min yam no ka ya karpe tabni hal inde la bal ni fiya yima ya de baye to arabian ka ti yentir puni but yen chala de saha ka lase banama venyal ga de ba band cracks in the MPP tena lase documents ma na won ne santi ni fiya paga asabre ti labna katitele la yeto ama pulini ni mohya ba sungo programme ma mbor man ta tabale ka bang de kamania interview de ba yikati yen no one ma ya ashirtu mukuru mampurgu ya no ya mun nyamune J-Boy representing J-Boy Nation ya saya muntashin balama oda yilla ka bolle la patukula jina man Samira ka de video ka tien drop le ta ya okay then your first interview ka second interview man na wona gafara one of the lyrical and the master singer mun nyamune Papa Melody don sirlin balama anto te ni don sirle dagba alkawle no yi album na la particular album ma bra bolle man pale ka first track on the album ma da nyu kunkul lelgo te da wumle na won ga for second on the album ma o da drop la banji tenji dabsele shalngo don sirle ba alkawle no yin drop la another track from the album de malpukata na min de te min don sirle ka te po hayu taba ka te nyanya la track cha te yin drop ngoma be yelman la track ma de feature la Wischal and te pa Fadland de yon pool na won ga for la kabre jina yoma and te pa don sirle German on one track so dabsele ngo te min don sirle po hayu yutaba ka te drop another videos antaya okay la two interviews ngoma ka te yen nan ba cha kan te ga ka bang na mina sin food spices Maris Loops Ghana supernatural green tea and te pa Kutam Enterprise ne police boutique and te pa unique laundry ma banam za hanyala bambi pangman pour ka programme ma ka de kanama police kan ku borno pro pas on kan studio ngo police in design ma kan kana thank you so much police CEO on santé police boutique kambalama la kan borno pour ajia mama asara mbalama moni Kutam Enterprise nem tam ya no pour ka pour opam ne unique laundry ma Nigeria ma sa hanan ban yindi okay man pu yali yen de la talan kan labna first interview man na yen kana ya before ka don sirle banan kana on second part of the show man bala den chen kana ko buma NTV jakan di talan won labna
kamna ti da shati nan jarne kamna ti da shati do bendergo kari shahara mamanga customer ye nya kari yui
and sister za palle makana
eya me sirlin powder dan kana ngona za palle warai dan yana lion seedling powder antra lion nutmeg Galata chicken flavor, jollof flavor, lion beef flavor, mixed spices flavor, stew flavor, lion shito flavor, to lion 3 mix ma. Kaka drop diala, garlic diala, na lebesa diala, anarza.
An yel shem ngona, bunyo mangwani nyasa, don wana tamada balbu maza.
Zanto joben zergo te baba kadi shahara.
Mpaya.
Mbombo.
Yura
na
zunguna abanzir ngonyaksu de kulila de kopa bon lenye ashilma
oh Lion Spices ngokan zantu abanzir gumawo
ai borle za bob gonada nyim polma hamta essence kuma se tankal me ngozo molonga Food and Drugs Authority nem vele kazam benu dedo
in yulun bona mami kan tum de Kutam Enterprise tuma mami no nyesham den yala den dai nan ka bor yilin ya ban nema ka ba mi ayan start le sham ka kana ta ba Kutam Enterprise insha Allah tin yala ban ya create account zanta account ma create wune am mali da ar kam za hadin ya deposit ra katanga aibe yo maka aibe an to partner to office man am yi to bana office man kan yin dai kunya ta phone numbers on quality tanata number shala ayan depositor la arma nan da an deposit nan tin deposit len zan nan ada account number shetan create ta ganye satara afonzo den yan wona kadama de wula la arma party kaddo ada kan spoon yuni yuma tanya ga kai ta kana ta bor anema insha Allah anyala won yan kwa ya anema jan to tumtuma ma kara nan ya asam zan ta mina zasa en Kutam Enterprise kadu konko ya ta tuma timal agents kaba ganda in sabra ai mala 5 cedi 10 cedi 20 cedi kayan depositor nan da ada accounts ma fune agents biyan ganda katano to tin ya agents ma kaba kanna ta de la arab jala ma dan min wona ta bonal service account bayan ganda ma jaharle jai ne ko kana an mal sham ka zan so dita pa ben sheshala an bor Kutam Enterprise ma insha Allah ai kana anyala won da kwaye anema zancham en intlan pa ta prenam shaw ban mal groups ban group into har var yamala e group la ma ka mi ne kamande wula e la arma da ban nan save han shel ne dem jema da ban nan save e bayi kana Kutam Enterprise to create account zantiya with e group ma yule ke depositor la arma so da ne shel into boarma ke kana tinya Kutam Enterprise tinya la ban to bola ne mama zantiya en kadu konkonya tetuma telemali lefe nyema kato kohara ai bora amriya nan bu kaka iko dan no to la asnya mama jil galan kana ta pa kutam enterprise tinyala band create account star ka deposit la arma ka waha le fe set ma ta mal ma balbo 4 set bien ka 6 set bien ka 8 set bien tun to waha da zan hada nan yi shal ga mi ayan deposit pa sha kana ta pa ale fe ne ma chanta nan ada amarya the locations mi tin mali tamali ara kumasi anyata ababu akra mi anyati sigis tamalmi sanargo district health insurance office ma ta member ko ba alataba and northern region wo tamal branches pam savlugu biane karga biane gusha biane ka kumbon biane ai borta lo kamza ha anyala ngunda to nyati nyinde ku contacting number shangaran pa askrim zo ma insha Allah tan waha an yan nan sham
insha Allah kutam enterprise ko mi sunan la anyurba
Suro le ya babbe punu matama bro nang musuro dum paga kasu yisil nyale dum sulo dum paga pumpong aha ye wonde tablin solo pambu haram na boti kandire mutu boram baselma banzurgo lala wuma shilma de yala jijijiya de yala mina zain food spices de nana lala la sungo maza nyamngo de yala chicken flavor mina zain fish flavor mina zain jollof flavor tongo Dinyala lion nutmeg powder ngodin dene pahe anya shilma bakam sheminazin food spices din dene biya ban zirga din yanko habe yang dene so kam yan zila ban zirgo kafile ban zora terbe shukuru shangalan ba ko zirman ko zira binagi ya ka ba file minazin ban zir ko harin kan to fa customers.
All right. Niya saya. Badara musane de ya tabarakallah. Talla nyale ni ya puka pa apam annaku nang ya dasante NTV wama. Program number 1 maka gumaya. With your number 1 standard of a presenter. Sahashel kamza hakan yara yennan ganti ni karapuni. Ni chaka ba samu alkom na ta gaba pompi kom ya. Man da pun yala na pa na kuru ka bugo pi hada paladi ya lumi. Ti man dundong no ko palga tere swar kun di twale. All right. Benazin food spices. Ntepa Maristops Ghana, the supernatural green tea, ntepa insha Allah kutam enterprise. Ne police boutique ntepa unique laundry nima inupo ombono kamal treya ni pamani ko kalni bobuya in pamman kamal nutumbo program ma punu na arsikima min fi west man production team mazaha tepu ya kapapam tuluma ande punta tabele nedene nyedene netemala double track system 2 interviews kata bonna tanoya and 1 interview ma kamal ne punya lama den kata ko serge nzanta ba yeto wala karapuni. There is this particular young guy straight outer mampurugu polongo ko yina yana wonga fara kaleshi ankara kamal ne punya lama kara kan yulbolo ni J-Boy representing large and in charge J-Boy Nation. He kuyaya no ne muntashi kama ne tudwaya denye shemen lama mampurugu ya alwa ya mane shirika tichana ya ibia ituzoni yanga oyanka pena no zan la habal sungun zantia denye dene inshira imamantun toru bina ya ngorenye jalilu odwala ankaranchana noti premier yo video pata Mimea, niya saya. Dede, okay. Ndi ben kusa kama ndro puyalama. Ora yela o dropla yishel kapola la patokola yela Samira. Okay, Samira ma video katien drop so ya. For that matter, J-Boy nyala munta na studio ngopu no katien nyenya. La patokola yela video. De donc bien zanja no artist no brand to agule kateleria. All right, J-Boy. Ndi nyola. De so ya. Ala pia benia. Yengwa sanyola. Masabara la pia. Mbwa last week man da chana bene ndami la yenyeni ka traka nan kare na lirgu
data ma kan na bela aka
oh data ma ira na wachana yo oh kaya drasum sini chana ka tichanki perform bene
yo mwata na bene
no problem ba o mes definitely telanje di sa shele de yan ka tichana bene mbola idu yintuma mbola bi ponsma ba wum di kaman J-Boy chana ya
okay
so just speak like a man, you know. Ben na chaka no free okay na tama yilshe na kunno yilshe tama
debo ya nyalla la de patitai pasela pang mga na suguya debo ya nyalla la de patitai pasela pang mga na suguya jamanyen na marzuna wa dan selbio de sante kaniya jamanyen na kazuna wa dan selbio de sante kaniya debo seba danyalla bundamba amazuna wa balanka shelia seba danyalla nandamba amazuna wa babalawkala Nusugu iya tesi nyi tesi mwi. Dama biya ko monyela kantaria. Allah ya.
J-Boy Nation representing Yesaya. Mun tashi to le kan baba na ta yin shi malaka yara. All right, let's go back to Accra. Accra ma gba de bewula.
Oh, Accra de ko be nyam.
Be nyam ya.
Ko be fine.
Accra side del Kalibi.
Dakuma kan ko be.
Dakuma. Oh, okay. Yar ma sa habiula. I mean, boys ma, girls ma. Be sa habiula.
Yar ma be ma sa ma la afia. Ma girls ma za.
All right. Very well. Tell me mama. I mean, this time around, okay, chakana kana personality. Are you man nyala?
Mohammed Jalil.
Okay. Mampuru ya alma tendan gaina. Zango voa.
Yeah.
Ya pula sa karbi.
Ibela wali side ma.
Wali so ma. Kaman dimin wali alle ma kaman di chande how many minutes? Dine ka imba moto be lu.
No, we go about moto like 30 minutes.
Oh, okay. Oh, don't na didi go wa.
Do wa.
Very well. La zango ma tendan yudin gaina.
Ila na kusiri. Yes.
Anyi ni ma le laba kra de di ya.
No, the we lela. The 2 years.
Oh, 2 years. Oh, very well. That's very great. Okay, the lema. I mean, I'm going to start here. And the command you ma lambala roughly. Di pa shala kuti kama ngo ba ani tuti una.
Yes. Like 2018 people come back.
2018. Aku start na commercial music.
Yes.
So and le ma kama na gila tabala kana ko record this song ka kunye professional songs.
Yeah. Like man kwa yisi as no kan ko ba ka 20 songs.
20 songs. Wow, that's very good. 20 songs professional songs.
Yeah.
Okay. And the 20 songs ma pune. Did ba la ka ma video, be a first video na.
Yeah. Nuna la shia. Deba yi kan na.
Deba yi.
Before sami no.
Okay. No, you feel free you ku yele man pour le.
Okay.
The worry no ni yagda gba na ka bo na yagda gba. You ku yele man pour le so that people will know where you are coming from. So that andiku maybe ni yagda gba na I born na yagda gba. So the na ma ku yele man pour le we understand. Zaide ma min ko bela ma. Yes, chatele nyanya. Aku start yele ma. Come on show, amama show. Like either a launch, be a concert, be organize an event, and I mean amama show.
Yeah, and then shows come back pass we in.
Oh, okay. Okay. Ankara ma be
Accra. Ale no ban kunante ndajile no show si.
Okay.
One and two karana la Accra.
Wow. Yeah. So Accra and Dakuma man no karana asu.
Yeah, Dakuma kanana.
Wula Daniel.
Oh, drama of him from. Yeah. Because my is him that launch the be an album.
Okay. Very well.
Yeah. Later on kazang sila kwenda.
Okay.
Album.
Wow. Ami sila ba malagila.
Yeah, malagila.
Wow. Okay. All right. Oh, don't wanna ni mo bien ada. Okay. Tell me ni mana area ma because akana tele pambi ni mana kanong gila ma ba kansia. So an le ma kama tum pa shi sa jalo mule nyale ni mana kama mule kunyale. Mo ba ku rule ni mana.
Yes, Accra one thing that is essential. You go check that. Digo party boy. Nala Jibo. Yes. J1 na kunyari.
No, la nyari bi la casa.
La kunyari. Na go pina la bien pam. Amati is essential. La kunyari. J1 so
that. Ba ya manu to call ba o.
Call ba wa yali. Na go pina la kari. J1 kunyari. Mutash.
Tidwaya. J1 Nation. Okay. Yaro amu na mi no love song. You might forget the daga love song. Anyway, that's very great. Chakatikana tele, you know, this time around, music is about business and promotion the song the lepam. And lehrema, kaman yung puluma, import tabo shell, inyarle, that radio stations, maybe event ma, people can tabo song like ila ma chen kantanga.
Oh, yama ngona bataron sunga tepam. Okay. Because be ro sunga ti, ti certain pana si mama hotra no pana nala.
Okay.
Because each check ran first you mama da yina. So zara ko dia kana.
Wow.
And therefore there now we you know that about doubt ka even ka be like oh ego is na be there.
Wow.
So support mama be the fam. And banko be enough ma ba so te fam. Za ko ibu ma azia.
Okay.
So support mama ko be ni.
Okay.
Because J1 Nation banko dwane banko yinda za.
Mutasi. Ya kutwa ma ye dwanu a.
To da traka te jini.
Chekali nyanya. You know you know be shama sometimes you have people that you look up to. And lehrma mampru ya alma ngule ko inspire kaman ay lehru yila ka file kaman no o panguma one day an chanla la bi ka chankarla
oh yama ngona wara mambera asiwani.
Okay.
Wara bien fam.
Wara bien.
Because each egra sapasinya mambeni.
Of course.
At the joints ben.
jamoni ka himika.
So bala warama. Mbo wande kan batuma labana.
Okay.
So like man don't you put my track.
Wow.
Yeah.
The people recorded maybe.
Kakapan yina kanyela hit.
Wow.
Hal zuna kana hit because 2018 la ka record ka. But up to now kana kunyela hit.
Wow. Wow,
Yes.
that's very good. The title yala.
Beja.
Bija. Okay. All right. Then kana tele jakatele yil shel den salti songoma. Apple la particular yila ngoma na Samira.
Yeah.
Samira ngoma ne ben gaba mini bipombele yulen bala.
Yes.
I mean la yulo ma ka san to be yila ma yeto shel mbiri puni karan Samira ka san te. Yulo ka le ma bi.
Yes. Ya to wan bene kan
Okay.
kan Yuruma.
Okay.
So ya to wan pam bene kan kan Yuruma.
Okay. But appear yulo Samira.
No.
Jiwo.
Nazimi ti so for Yurubo ni sabi.
No, pas solo. Wama iya program ngoma ya. Imi kamba mare shiri.
Oh magamila.
Mburu shiri ma program ngoma. Iku chana pa de kunyala pa yala pa kanyala beni ki yene beni.
Ai o kwa ngel.
La.
Ora ya ngel da kwa jala street.
Samira yuwea. Odina yi wa. So akule la yila wa kape ke yulwa sa.
Asa Yuruma ka gwanyi zan Yuruma piskani.
Okay.
Ka changa la mambo ka sima.
Okay.
So kan sa Yuruma Samira ma piskani ma.
Okay.
Karpala eto asanya.
Shel Karapu.
Shel Karapu.
Ana jimbi Samira.
No.
Okay. Fatali. Mando bu Samira ta.
Yawa.
Okay. Dicha obeyelenga ka engineer mo le la yila ma.
Dr. Fiza.
Dr. Fiza yele.
Yeah.
Okulati yon Dr. Fiza.
Dr. Fiza.
BTB. Monoso kumna wata.
Manzo ka karko maria.
After Sabela Kamilutum.
Yeah, first time bala.
Okay, so how was the experience like? I'm not around
Oh, like in China time I recorded a bass. Man that you. Up to now, mama put us in.
Wow.
Like appearance, one that put Pamana to part avana. Upamana the Shima.
Okay.
Dapo no. Unyala no mahani you. Like unyala no someone to someone as Alabo number Sheila.
Okay. All right. So the angele na here kama video. Video mangole mbele. Mole ma
Video ma director nas.
Wow, okay. Director nas ami ma pro ya ma desem sini bolu to do now.
Ma to do now.
He's so much dedicated to the good of Mampuru.
Ba.
Hadi team ma ba director nas but I give Mampuru North East Region peace song share and mbora na particular ila ora yel man bo ngala video. So I'm still trying to see when and if he's ready katinyanya tin premiere la video ma be shabi category video because it's important. Election shirting no ma to borsu du pam. So di nan kallala ya alama sa hayi di ba kam lam to me la kan yala bo borsu du ne something that battle high so that in a way there's a hand send peace messages ma across nyanya ne sa no na fa sham. Okay, the lam na yila ma puni engineer so ngbe le ma ni Dr. Fiza director Anas mi ko ma video ma bo. Tamano ki la ma bi tamano ki la ma. Okay, that's very good. Mbor mun so ha just minti yinga kati chante dele la Samira video ngoma ti labna kati yel video ma yeto a ni yel changa don ko bien ka yen bang ya de so de changa tanga tin chen kana ko ma NTV J-Boy representing large and in charge J-Boy Nation to dwaya ya mun tashin bala ma de so de changa tanga chante di video ngoma labna.
Papi pizza nya salma nya mapaka kaza nya gbanguya J-Boy ma ya bala ibora nyi bolu ma jalilu gaskiya music na yalo kundana bolu ma tsabiya
Dr. Fiza
Samira manyingwanya tabo kwankwa kabulo mambianchi 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 Samira manyingwanya tabo kwankwa kabulo Samira chani kansuwa marma utirmala yamang yurrulum yurmana angaru nyebeli demin chaka mburu madensu mbayurne ka folete Samira ma mbayurne ka zondo Samira madensu yura manyingwanya tabo kwankwa kabulo mambiati yura manyingwa ko bawa selatiyo makusaka zali sokira dama iyullun kombe sune makusaka zali sokira dama iyullun yala dan kurma yura Samira tafsirin kan kama yayi nyaga Ikwa kama yandola makusa kan la jandol so torun zugu de daughter ma manyi yulun wo ma kun zani sori zugu de daughter ma manyi wonya tabo kwankwa kabulo ya sol ma bidebka zikurkuzu won ku kon kwanje boy man ya balama J-boy man ya bala gaskiya music pun kan yina. Samira manyin wanya tabo kwankwa kabulo mambiache. 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 Samira manyin wanya tabo kwankwa kabulo. If you say you love me, I go buy you Maserati. If you say you love me, I go buy you La Bugatti. Camry Adari, the Peninsula Dubai. Dama supial maya ya kasa kutuna ngana puni. Supial maya ya kasa kutuna ngana puni. Dama nyama sunu kwali iyulu wakila mkwani. Nyama sunu marka iyulu kokombe suni. Nyama sunu kwali iyulu wakila mkwani. Nyama sunu marka iyulu kokombe suni. Samira inyala natra gift me. Ibor shell kama manene. Inyala natra gift me. Ida shell kama manua. Dunzugo cheki Suzia. Manyin you taba forever. Inye cheki Suzia. Manyin you taba forever. Damambole love can be mama. Kamba love ki be daddy. Mbole love can be mama. Kamba love ki be daddy. Oh. Samira manyin wanya tabo kwankwa kabulo mambiache. 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 Mambiache.
Alright, near Saya, near Saya, but that was on the day, Tabarakallah, Mimia, Chakantala, Velakabang, the Dinchankana Kogoma, NTV, Menazin Food Spices, and Tapa Marie Stops Ghana, the Supernatural Green Tea, the Insha Allah Kutam Enterprise, Police Boutique, Onyalangu Malutum program, Matapa Unique Laundry, Namazaha, Kambwana Poka Pam. Yes, video Shelton could drop it down my title, my video, my Yulamun Samira, Bansum Befukum Sapuna Karayana, J-Boy representing J-Boy Nation, to Dwaya Muntash in Balama, nothing could drown with the Dwana Maya. Okay, engineer someone's Ogunkum Naka Yinaman, Tabata Yamune, Dr. Fiza BTB, Director Anas, Golepang Manka Visuals Video, Karamafi Yanagas and the particular Yamaya, Katapona Yalaya, Yamum Pergu Yalumasa Hanan, but these are some of the guys that you need to support talent wise. But Pangabumanga, Kalam Wanda video be Yinama, being a quality standard very punisham, Kapapangumang on the day. There's some good people in the Northeast region in Balama. I mean, radio presenters, the spinners, I'm letting be sooner Yakapobian Sonila, the industry players, Bambini Manamazaha, bloggers, Bambini Manamazaha. These are some of the things that you need to be projecting. Karachen Venyanagaya, Ama Kaso Bahlan, so be so Bahlan, Karanula, Karablogger, Ganda, then the Mamuna, the Karapuni. Yes, J-Boy Napunyana Mumbeja, Nikanata Nambanama, the social media handles, Ayan Donsham, Antonio Yilamoma, Katazahan and Faria. Yes, J-Boy. The chanson, the Chanvia, Mola, in Abula, but Mamwana, Mila Giaso, you moon Samira. Samira, in Muni, Munka Warni, Quay, Kayi, Mama, to Chama.
Happy pizza, nya salama, nya mapaka kaza, nya banguya. J-Boy Maya Bala. Ibona Nibol Majadilu. Gaskia music yellow Kuwana. Kulmatizabia. Samira, Manimwanya Tabo, Pampaka Bulo, Mambiati. Samira, Manimwanya Tabo, Pampaka Bulo, Mambiati. Samira, Manimwanya Tabo, Pampaka Bulo, Mambiati. Samira, Manimwanya Tabo, Pampaka Bulo. Samira Jenny, kasu wa marma utir mala yamang no yurulum yurmana ngaru nyevli nin chaka mburu ma dun suku mbayurne ka folent samira ma mbayurne ka zondo samira ma dun suku yura manyin wanya tawo kwankwa kapulo mambiati yura manyin waku bawa sela tiyuma makusaka zali so kira dama yulun kwambe suri makusaka zali so kira dama yulun yala dum kurma yura samira da kan kama yayi nyanga
aba
ikwa kama yandola makusaka la chandol so ron suku de dakurma manyin yulun wa kunzana suri
aba
de dakurma manyin wanya tawo kwankwa kapulo esol mabidbuka yukuru zu nwanku ko ngpa je boy ma ya bala ma je boy ma ya bala gaskiya music pun kan yina
la bala
ma yin wanya ta
saya azan yira azan hayiji na uzo shemun na sin lam yurnum ya bin yala je bungo gangoga je duk wasun kare ta sha su yurun ku bor shelma kanan dan paga je boy ko kum da samira mama ya wano yatin kama wo shi samira so ba yira wa funa alle iba haya malabin shiri iya yuma mun bisima yin shi bini ya yunala ya nurini ka shi bini ka ya yunda ya sufu ku
yes kambeli
to yisi ya yinu wo isufu ni yila lawa iyo ba yetu ama wanti shi ba ka problem be kana automatically nta yulma donc ya gel ma yuli
na kagel wala
la gaze ya
la gada ba ya
all right quick one before can nantamia ndu bar men nyen number shanga maybe be ni to WhatsApp be I mean in a way of getting the songs ma be body yina ma be no to number shanga
054
54 74 978 all right number men kanya
054
74 978 all right I'm on social media handles what be Facebook
yeah I'm there Facebook
okay you think I use a Facebook
Mohammed G Boy
yes okay all right you know I'm very sure that they be YouTube
they be YouTube
okay very well so dinin ka so borle on to nyala YouTube ya all right je kan tega ka ban tin J Boy po han yuru ta ma representing large in Chad J Boy Nation straight outer an kana ko lesia ya na bun ga fara kan yimman furgu ya na mama tam jen ka bole ni Zangufuga. Yes. All right, that's very beautiful. Go drop it like a ball and the Samira, the particular Yinama, visuals got to drop his woman. Chakantega, Kabang, Kabola, Yinama, your sub number no more, anytime, anyhow, and too high number the mark. I'm sending you the Mazan Tire, then you 0545474 0545474 WhatsApp number baladina ka bor J Boy yina ngoma be yirshal on de punnan kayendo omin Israhim nan lama la yila na masa hana won ga fara ka borle yin ku say him hi to this particular number on send la particular yila mata ya tell him collaborations apun ya na min Israhim na min nan yila na amine set mbala okay amin set ba nan yila kor apart from betuma amin sola nan yila ya kama collaborations
man di do se ba
okay ya ari yan di do se ba okay so planche l'ambien na mi sula no ila ya
oh planche man so ai pa
okay
because man makasho gwa matrack
okay all right
but bulati yi kana na video so
so ina video man na ma
yeah video man no ma ba mi ma won be share ta
wow okay all right yon ila recorder
yeah blue beat san
great 69 ken empire ken makambala ma ya yu ya kamino je tabo yes mino na ya mala interview shall tan wa ni yar dago pa ni yar ma dago pam no gum de za no lam so kama za out so I'm very sure that these days I'll try and see what I can do these days no bomba makaka nyanyo mino po hani you tapsham all right let's talk about show be concert be I mean team ma you plan that when shani no young especially young poloma
you want what to plan permanent number yara because Accra mo na te diakara sa
aba
te diakan dole ni flat
kaya
J Boy ni se bazwa ni Accra za ya J Boy
muntasi
enyama so te bola te nya chance kuna yinama barapun trapun kuna na so shehi so bandawo miki bazabang ti emote le point tenda na so station ma kun po bana botin te lamna na wula tin ka banya ko she barawo kena dinda ne adu barawo man J Boy nyala te sabia yes we na ma propose so te marnian tana la na ma propose te na wula tana jilgil tan smane kabanya da betene
okay
karin ya akra mana je wani sun za
equal valley
ya ta da akra
okay ni bo ankara aya ku ya ni deli ba ni bo ankara pala ho ni ka tini
ya den taka ya la ma o tranga ku biya ma prisma side
okay
inyama so tunda ga ma prisma side ma ka azabzug MCR ka pu sungi chanu sane nana abaga na azabzug MCR gina because man da chana ta so din ma bam dan la awas si akra ma kan be ani so ku chana nyerten na performance ma ne yuma ma ku ya da dio ma ubun yar ma chana fe so man da san manula an chan abu birsi side ma ka so za ta ban ma be so ku be ni qualify be yan bien side ma sa si ka ba go di kar ku nyala azabzug MCR gin ta la yar ma to so bianan tencha ba diaten ko ma prisma ma tisi ma so pu sum chana tra abu president za azabzuk MCR ko nyama chama viola yarma ma zo abu ko to kale so din chaka na te dia akrama la
all right that's very good so pumpo anje on tele menyanya I mean amala manager bi amala team I mean ba supportera ka ku chana be yanga ma team bien be manager ka mala
ya team ben ka manager bien
okay
team ma
mo le manager ma
manager wanya manager Ibrahim
yes obiala da
akrama yes
okay all right but team ma kama nirba la banam ka ko mi ka ba no very like
team ma dollar nation dum kunya team ma like yerma won so an ben ba dollar nation dum kunya team ma
okay
di kunya te yina ne sita on dum ba so an fon kutun kalma
okay
ne da kuma dum block nation dum yerma won so an ya kalba biyo ne
okay got apart from young polo in planner come on okay maybe with time in chat no shuma akrama ba in planner another thing like I mean
yeah to go plan da ba yo na tin social
okay
because man zila te so ma tra nan kala da kuma
okay
ti sa dra da ma pam so fan base ma ba se wa base la ni ma so ka ba ya ta da pam ma kama zila nan lafu because ma zila man yo use ma kanyala hit track
okay
so kasoza afili ka yelle kasoza bu banya ma zila wan jan de ni kasi so ni ma den ko na ta da te kwanta ma ka ja nan lafu album to ko jama nan ka di ma ka banya ta so the plus na ka ta na ku
okay all right but you know bad date
no bad date but ku bela ya to on things
okay very well maybe date nan ka date ma la no really acha ka ta bang so we start talking about it ina chan all right once again check and take ka bang ne din charka na ku gogma on NTV with your superstar of a presenter Mohammed Hafiz the trend ya coming as in food spices ntepa Maristopes Ghana and supernatural green tea ntepa insha Allah kutam enterprise na won ga faran the police will take bandam sa hanya da bambe arsikiti mapu na ka program wa kada kannama yes ne unique laundry nima chakan ya te ga ka ban na kaman wula menasin food spices na bana madinin ka ko harban tirgo amaliya be suna ki mala ikwen la Allah samatu karmal bukata na bantirgo nyimpa mama ka bun ba menasin food spices ngoma ya de nyala de nyambu achile santa bantirgo ma ya ha ka tera na Maristopes Ghana la NGO ma be nyala bambe tamal gumbliya kamal bukata pam bi shawara puni na paba din yan nan ka ba dala fi san tan to am pulu kada non tabata na fi nyala ta ba min bi yidanama ne ba be ne to am shi za hanan ban yindi lala NGO mo ma ya chakan ta la ban na apor na nyaba tamal mo taxira ko ya di ko ka pa taxina nyelle ma nu za so ya anye GN bank don ra big ban na on ka fara Maristopes Ghana ba ban yala ban bi le jira mi sama so sa ya Zelia food complex ba min ban ku taba ai chan ni ma na won ka fara bon gono ba sha safe abortion la be family planning wula kar ku yen nan kar kunya la pa ne to am o min o yidani yen tartab yala ne sham ka to am ti yen kana ka ba za hankala ka ba hamal shile ngul to amma fi yala na won gafara lalatuma ka bobini mana tundiya karamal mustajaba pam kan trata na kan manga ka to chang ni maniya kana ce supernatural green tea lalati mo ma nguna tan nan la ship se karamal la kun fa yakunu ka bazan nan le dane yedane ti za hamina tunyur lati nan ban suliya to amma ti mo ma din ya ne nan ban sule tama dunda ya no ko kolan ko harla di yorso kana nan ban to anye supernatural green tea mo ma okay dinin ka mal jol yal musra kaman ni jiya woni jetin valbu ni ja shiktin yeto a sa shal der ka to nya kaman kanan bana puni ani binyar ala fi fan yalanga be loss of appetite be an aparmi ya adan sam an borna abisham dan ma za haditi nam ken makan ye balbu ya ka ni to bunya ni lamna ti yala an ye bunya la ti mo ma shapulu ya ba na kutira ni supernatural green tea den yala da mal amfani santa ya kana ce insha Allah kutam enterprise okay la particular enterprise mo ma ya na won ga fara bi yulma kon kon no mala yasam abayan bayan insha Allah nana won gafara nana won yadda bin puniya ne ba bala alkawle ne yin kamar ba ku tam amin ba ne ba alkawle shalma danin yadda ne ne din nan ka ambe bukata puna na won gafara ta sa za hamini yilmi yabo takah bani nyale la takah ngoma de simsina yen yele kamal shilve yelenga en yele ka ashilbe de punia denen yedene be yola la office ngoma ka office ngoma apienta den ka yilla rukuto do ya kari ko mima ka be yela ya na akpang ma man ka kana ka min ba po hakare yota vinyanga ne be yen yola accounts ta ka atohar kopshi pp ka yen tohara 1 Ghana be 2 Ghana nyale banya yola accounts mata ka te ka mobile money number be a bank number na won ga fara anytime za haka yola na da puni ka nyi message ka banya message ka lar mo ma be sane ka bu gumsir lar mo ma fi yanga karta sa bukata na an bor bin shama ima simiti ka bora ima chamsi ka bora ba ka bor be bula ka bora na won ga fara ka garsi lar mo ma in san le bo bin sha an bor ma ya de sa ha yala be la sane ka ba san le ta ka nan amfana na an bor bin shama ya amle ya ka yen nan ka wala liji ka walwal ma na kunye ton babu ma kan lifi dan nam za ha bin yala ban be ku group nyenya ki group ma ki to har tutu kala la tutu mo ma dem ben nu shen ma ka sel so be de tabla kan kaman illa ma tan pe yaw bako be tafsir ki shinda bana yen kanna ntitiri la ma dit mal bukata ni bor be shangoma ben to yina te zan nan tin ya ka bo gangul bol ma na insha Allah ku tam enterprise na te tabla na mi ba al kawli ma ku tam ya ay bor ba tamal bumbali yele ja kan kana te ga ka ba na sanargo municipal nimi health insurance office la nobisco polo côté se changa donc bien ma ba mi ba ko bala dans na taba la health insurance ma ko bien ma ka ba be mo office mbala ne kana te tabin nan bana ya ka to bol ba kan amfani lala insha Allah ku tam enterprise mama alright nlan lamna ti ya police bu tek talan ya ne pour ka pa apam nta pa unique land wi ma once again check ante ga na rin ka le redin chana de min J boy representing J boy nation balama ku drop yela ka bol la patukula yela ngoma na Samira din ka bor Samira yin pa mama ka bol nan bana mo ya 0545494978 zam solo kam gabaya 0545474978 once again 0545474978 ID number na muma na won ka fara amin J boy ko hane yutaba ka to sene la particular yina ngoma ta ya yes J boy straight out tsama gariya pumpu wacha kam kunde kat kunya nya amal shabna puhi amin ban tabru sonda ka yila ma chen fi yanga hala personal abja bu puni ban ku sonda ka borna poba
okay first of all na ko pusi la doctor Fiza moni me wa bitonga
okay very well
na to pusi dare tanas
don't tell her
ma video
yes dare tanas
na pusi manager Ibrahim
okay manager Ibrahim
pusi manager Ibrahim
okay
ka pusi azab zuk MC yarga pusi chama biola pusi kinno la nu nyanga
okay
ka pusi dollar nesi
okay
block nesi nyinda kuma pusi rena
alright
ntesi amon kam brother Nash mpusira na niwa de mazita kutonta me yela
okay
mpusira so kam saka mo kam kujina ta busuma zita boss yes mtria za ya bia pusumo kama tria de ta je boy ni simaza ti ma garcia pam kutongo ba yeye
no nkusa ba ka bol bi alright pekati yensar ka puka pa apam ka chap saba definitely mina po hani yutaba balela particular yida ngoma dinin ka anytime zan haka alheri NTV bannan baga sawun kurga nahi misan can kurga nu tafsir kamza ha okay bannan baga attente pa alzumban balama anytime zan haka kurga nahi nyin kusan ma ban gatta banku ya sashel ma na won gafara Samira nyala dan pa yo zoro la particular ta ngoma ya katimina zan hanan afana ka yida ngoma kar can kantanga tum po ka pa man purgu ya alma zan hanan ban yindi special J boy nation ma na ti ma za ha bambi takuma bambi akubulushi bambi ashama ya pulu kamza haka yibi halban bi mampurgo ya almo wal lan bin sibe zangu bi kambaga ya polo kali ku bi mampurgo ya almo maza ha thank you so much to pu ya kapa apam ya alright we meet again no pu kapa apam kat the 10 cameras ma around mampu yala ya another one is coming through and this time around Baba Melody katimino po hayan yo tabya muni nyongole the most lyrical the best lyrical singer in northern Ghana muni nyongole don circle representing large in charge na won gafara anto te no da pumba alkawle no yela album na kabola la album wa na pale la album ma tanna shi sasha mo 2 tracks na drop from the album I mean and it is making history one mother na nyela kunkul lelgo lyrically the song was the dopest song kan na mingumya secondly katadaji ya ko yenne na bandan kana da fa'arin do so ne ya da dagba alkawle ne yela traction na ka biakura kana tite ko zan yi banjina okay tanna shi sasha mo Banji is another song that is doing wonders. Alright, this time around, Olagba ala alkawle no yen drop la yili palia de so samo solo katete talan kalabna ka Papa Melody mone don so le ko kena katinyanya la particular yechati yen drop tama den chanka buma on TV na labna. sani dede ya meme ya kati ya pupa na tini yeto asanta batuli chakana puka pa amena sin food spices ntepa Marie Stopes Ghana na supernatural green tea ntepa insha Allah Kutam Enterprise. Once again, police boutique telah nyala nampuka pa apa ntepa unique laundry nama besa hanyala bamal nu tumbuka program ma kada kanama kamanda da punjala ma ye double stacks ntem kati hitre zoya and your number one standard of a presenter hafizu trenda ya beke ya okay al kawle ma da nyala dene nitimala two artists one ma da nagare ya and the greatest of all time kena muni nyamune Papa Melody Yabala, Don Silly, the most lyrical, the best songwriter we have in the region. Nanga Fara, Munum Pupa Namaya, Antotin Alkaulin Dabanari album na Kapola particular album and Pali. The first track Dana drop here, and that particular track ma Kunkun Lelgu is performing wonders both on social media, the traditional media ma. I mean everywhere now. Didn't you banga Sheldon Zoria? Okay, another one that Alkaulin didn't drop it. There was another one that was dropped over the weekend ma, which is Banshi, the Banyala, another wonderful lyrically song that very, very deep, deeper than you can even think of a song. The Banyala then Nabiania, Karala Yaga, Kaulinary, and Yela particular traction that's somewhat Absalom, Karmal Bukata, Nemitin Dosali, Katapahayu, Tapkatanya. I mean, Shilman and Mansham, the Alabama Yutwa, Halenda, Woman, Badan Yaladin, and Captain Parkania. Tamal Parkman in your town and Alabama and Pirupule, the Battle Julian Yakashima, Yaman, Yalabi, the Nochiti Barbala, Telepapulia. Yes, don't. So what's up?
Yo, bro, cool.
The San Katim, the San Katim, Baba Melody Yamala, Yama, hello, okay.
Hey, Aku Kolama, never Barama, Haya, Ungaria, bye, Alabama, Quadukubama, Ungaria, Dema, hey. Ngari demayama tang pagbelugu kaman nang debaba Bokajira ade wambai yemuntake mawotake wrong guy abisi Ronaldo the wrong guy akartama aku karbai edomi man yabla lazim kwam animbal na nyama kupama yabla shilin shiya ndato ne amikuto nan washale nyama nye bunsu ko an kudoya yimirin che kaman su doya nyamiya da ko ba nduma wargale kan kuna baba gari anduma wallan duma no the worry gari anduma yama tan kwabulugu kaman nan da baba
another one. Which one are we picking? Let's go again.
Dala mambo
kaya
nyalumani ya sambane
antema mbono
esam nambala kaya ami akabaza dabe ashan waganda ma yurlum dunya wo ka faraswale kaya yema yulum so sungo amparan duma abba semlangal ba shamwa kamparan duma yamanda ipur baba banda ma suwi baba batera mama Allahu akbar wa yapur bazala why don't so pala why don't so biya
baraka barba
ne damyala dai zare so bamana mashawara Yamzonum dai mal yalle sheman chang machirgale
wayo
sandati ana double wala na double ashadi na kanme wayo why mabia suma naure na diama inegi yalle kam ninye doshe lafu yandu matum lafu
ayya
ne yandu matum lafu tumtal barka lafu
kayya
lafu de yanzare ama pa gungul yelgo ya lafu de yansanda ama pa fa palsula awum fufu lafu kayya baji lafu kudi Ghana must go ye kani palla lafu
bro la sheti jenu mal kamir kalele ya so tanga wona pretend ni la mbakana la
no
wajirbe badle nar bal garba
na je ka sa kana karbla na
kala
tiliji
la ka morma kama la
dinje ma dinje ma
dum sum am ya la kala na luru shel ni bu toklu bi chal ya pulu kana kutar hala bu ban luru shel da bala ne tira fa ngune ka shi ka so ka ti no ne o tundra company shele ni su ne kara ni problem ka a company ya pulu ka bu ban ka ma nu ka da ka ra da shwa la ka shwa ka te borwa ya all right done. I mean that's very great. Tell them nyanya a very quick one Then I drop a first track, man, which was the one you just did.
Yes.
The performance, I mean, on social media, traditional media, and fans, man, in general public, man,
yes, to entire Poika, in Yellow comes on hands and a Poika pie, the presenter comes on TV presenters, radio presenters, like comes on Tabas one the Banila, bloggers, social media, Mazaha, like fans, Bambiros or Zaha, entire numbers on the Poro song, Zanzibar, you know, the tabla comes on Tabas on the Ila. Like, I haven't, like, Mbano ben shadow when come on Yila Oma, the pie, like the chang come on so far in the chang shang over, but the me chang, you know, so entire Uncle Zala Poro Sons Auntie is a Hanon comes out have a program, you know, Kayana Empire, yes, you know, on social media, like I lay so far go don't put chang sham, I chang on audio mark, I chang on YouTube, I chang thing, Lola comes out like. Of
course.
And in recent programs, Nyala perform on stage and then so come the one you'll so come entire no could to new comes out. Nyama cover yin the la you know, cover yin the so inside don't go and the than you know, so
I mean, personally, I mean, so many people they try to reflect. So many people try to reflect and find themselves in the song. I mean, have to come on like you shall answer the woman, come on, the pool, being born in your feedback, man.
Yeah, the car wow. You know, it's one of the songs like no could drop it everywhere. Malla, you know, most of Yilano, the Punyala, like. Kind of deep songs and not to you hear the share now, you know, not a year and I'm Malla call Shaman expector.
Okay.
You know, lack of small and day shirkana. Then Kaso Yerman come and meet and targets, man. You know, and then come on this particular song Bongo Yelgo, it's a lack of smart come the Kazapala pie.
Wow, okay.
You know, as a Zanum Pump Coloma, Yelmo Antum the Twin Sherma, Gorilla, now the Albercan, the Kaina Tabanco. You know, so come with a Kubone, Empire, like Bongo, Zana, never shot about you know, so I think, never from Coloma.
All right, very well. I mean, sometimes the bar is part of the job, especially the Jamaica feel come on what you are doing, yes. Attention. Let's look at the album. And Tatara Punti feel upon. Had the alcohol in England and Martin drop problem in time. Then that's a 3 tracks in the drop. Okay, all right. Teramila one yellow. Teramila didn't drop a song.
Yes, Mark and I promoted last week. Mark and I here. Okay, and you know, last week Zahan, I come down this social media. Yeah, or I come on social media. Zahan, the morning.
Yes, that's true.
The Mafia Tracon, the Mafia, the Mapi Pump, catch it to Pumpon Shaba, Carapazumo. You know, then Daniel Zubukale, now Malantonko, and a lot of people never from Dalakia within the level of course. You know, so social media Zahamonra. So can lay album Mapuni. I have a song like the Tiere. Was the Monor the Wurtum the Kawan. Tungum the shop the Noma. Sakan Naga Tablaha so then Caranya Baden Bala. Carano didn't have they at the event. Don't get a Sama can Tibo thing you Kaula. The Satan Catabala. Caranya Tiku womb Tunto womb high Milura Doling Yama Satan Paraga so the Lampoyan. So inside Dindanala Kanya on social media so come. You now on Chilotale, so Kale Abama Purumayille, then Tiere solo. So come on Katazan Hasura, now Chilotale, I can bring Yella Lazanta. You know, Bay Hadiku Yella, like now she met Atum the Tum Shell, then she won't come now, Ochela, Abatale. Okay. You know, Kakuya, you know. It's an opportunity for me to use this particular song in Niraba. Okay. Namama at the theater. Yeah. Kamana Sahakana, Tongum, Katababla. Wow. You know, so Shaman to Baden. So Banji. Then that check as I and then I give them a Banji. Wahia Bonda Kabiamba. you know ka ba mi va dunia shida ambo ba yebonda ka ba yan suzale you know so ka ce duniya wona an ku kana pale sha la ka yan can ka ce na mi ba mala shawara kan nama na ko be mala shawara ka diga you know so that is just it
la shi sama nyala maybe te kan na yala kati shi ba te can nan na ga fara
te mi na tan can ama shawara be mala ko ben ya zon kan diga da wora be ya zon kan yin nama you know so that is just it yeah
oh okay akuti mama ba because that particular song ma I mean the la who to man album ma there are prepare ya fe yala I mean to meet different aspect of life irin journal din biyani kaman tibu din biyani kaman biyagu yeto abiyani bomba yeto abiyani I mean album man very very general
yes nta razo kai din ye album ma in ku try me like in shi ma gele lo comes on bi pola den biere ne in kura den biere pune you know the farana ma te den biere ne ka te banna bo bomba te den biere ne ma ye te farana ma te banna bo bomba
te banni la ta tamba shi
no tenin ta ma tan borna te bashi ma you know now you na ni o ta ka ni ta on pa you know so tenin ta tamba shi ma o pa ma te you know so just
Pablo na kali leisha
no antum pe la sha tem benzina dirna
to be ka to borma that's very great I mean how in the borma no tell pa la yila ma banjima I mean it is very very deep some few days ago I was playing it on my status how you from that borma kaman mu yila mbala ya pulu karigina I mean so many people and dali the when da to borma link ma kan da palin share when download the share so many people will ask of it ma and you keep referring them to audio ma but usually la yila mo ma don sorry now you know no let ma be careful so that I wouldn't spoil nirbo pamu but borma ni nirbo nya the content of that particular song
ja da kunya hey woyo banji bondal kayam bang dunya an dunya shirbu bondal kayam su dunya chi yoma fo yoma ngulti natakana karam tu dunya watu mazangu woyo banji bondal kayam bang dunya an dunya shirbu bondal kayam su dunya chi yoma fo yoma ngulti natakana karam tu dunya watu mazangu hey no wo imabia dunia ngoba karata fa ya domia karata le hakupaga pabushi te yalla bora biela zunsa katanina pale kata karata ati yambang mabia bola na kaenshi kabo kazondwala kanane yilmobe zamsan yilmobe Yohan yilmobe to tema na dapsel kanna kayen chanka che dunia bangma aya ayule alore abansam de shelen kutega ye atuma konko na jamako hai dozo mabia dunia ngotagba na woni ye domi yala betoni kumbia toni etazana pale mabia dunia ngosombia pale ni yala gatoni kumyatoni yatazana pali wayo banji bondale kayem dunia shirbu bondale kayem su dunia abu tiyama fabu yoma nguliti natakana karam tu dunia watu mazangu wone Allahu akbar pasuma ka to ni kan boma second verse yila maza mo zam so lo ka pasuma ka te borta taba wayo bezuma ka te pile taba borobo tunte yaba adam hal yinoba na babele yuna kam kakawana banda tuya na zakara banda bamboro chuafu kam karabele dadam no galsam no kabele ami sakom leba parba de pulum katam borta bashawa ayya kabo kazondwala kanani yilmobe zamsam yilmobe Yuan Yilangobe to Tema, Nedapselekan, Dayen Chankachi Dunia Bangma, Anam Aviela Madimang, the Zasanara, Ye Atuma Konko, Najamako, the Zoma be a Dunia Motabama now, Domiala Gatoni, Yala, Whom Gatoni, Yala, Zana Valley,
Yes, from the beginning, this young guy is one of the greatest, most lyrical songwriter we have in the region. Nanga Farazoma and Sabila Kayindere, the Shihela Piahul come. I may Selsela Asuna Pa. Anytime, anywhere you listen to Don Sirle, and J. Tablen now won't go for a now one to Zoma Pinia, Zanjani Yilapulu. You shall open Noma, or Boleman the Banshi, Carbilla, particular Alabama Puni, then you Pala Albamaya, Alabama Mamma, Kusam Solo. Yes, Tinti Filas and Gender Albama, and Yellow Shapulu being in a Dabsel. Okay, Jacatri for the toy. Don't Pumpo Albama, 3 days at the buy, maybe can in T1 part about that. All right, Tiel Material Professionals.
Yeah, until I think and officials or then you know, to later Sheila Bombay to other, you know, so now or Largam as a kid, of course, then Kabul, you know, zero Casabla culture, you know, yeah, Tidum Payacatragi, Ilona Banjo, Katir. Junior Oma and Yala, when shot and Canada to the Garret, you know, so to come down to the Garret to being Palendon. To Zomi, Tian Chama and Tishi and Tablet, the Dipolinia, New Kurgunya, Bonya, Panya, Donya, Yurlamun and Sahara, she lasso come. Adam becomes a Hanyala, Mumbale, Ninsal so, Mumbi, or also Pune, you know, so or Europe, you know, after that, I've almost said some yellow woman, or you know, so entire yellow, the yellow, the shiny, in the neck, and yellow, yellow.
Okay, all right.
So, I mean, I pay attention on money.
All right. So that means you setting your profits from Yellow Anthony. The title, okay. You know, I feature us on the pool.
So, in time, Nazan Pizoma, Yenzala. Don Solazan.
Okay.
Kazane Wischald Zan.
Okay.
Legend. Kazane Fadlan Zan. So yeah, singular bui karap.
Who's our best man?
Yes, singular bui karap.
So best. So many actually. Legend fast my and the population is actually in the yes. Let you know engineer. We have so many engineers in that.
Yeah, this particular song. Flames in young instrumentation ka voice ka mixing PJ now
mixing,
you know, yeah, PJ
all right, that's very good. Okay, don't no sham ko bormo no so ha ka tete talan kan labna en tele ma mi nyala la particular video mo maya. I mean very classic standard of a video visuals ma maybe tanya ngulen ma video ma.
Yeah, nta TMP Studios Joe Gamele.
Okay, director Joe yomo wa.
Ya ona um yilla ma. Na kulum to do da shana za yilla ma to ka ko to do. Kabian ko to ko
yeah.
No wala so bi le kan kan to.
Ora bora concept.
No wala so bi le kan za to zanto. No so to yilla kala fiala mo. No so bi no bor na kamane. O bad ma video ma.
Yes.
Kenya kaman kala to ma sala la yilla.
Ko ba yu.
Do so ya pom ka to ku ma video kan no pom ti no ne yilla ma to se gar video ma. Most of times the way yirna bang ma san. I mean yilla kala no deep like directement maman ko na bon concept waji.
Yeah, that's true.
But mama I think Ben Shak comes out like I love video maman bana bana kama ta kusa hamana ziki na ti hazan no yila mazan hapuni.
No, this is the hustle man. Chakatinya video ma katinya. I mean lyrically, then nanka direct ma to yila ma puni sham de chanfen yanga santi yila ma de chankan tanga tinchana antene don serle ka wisha de pa fadlan de young pool bisa hanyela bambi yila ma puni ya. Na zo kamar jina yibe yila pool. De pa ba fada bamba ya chakatili kalauna.
Baba Melody de Wizzy Billia Baby, you're mama
come on, okwang low senses. Me know you tryna share adjust the lenses. Yeah, my thing you can zero dare. Dagwara you do look at the kurlare. Wara bantra yo ya go bounce baka kana te yel makata dalare. Girl, I want you to know, ne ayur le mompaya. Anyala ndene, domina pila unko dine, nuni dine, awandine, no jeso pala unko dine, nuni dine, no jeso pala unko.
Ikola nuwa suru portalere, kana wanza ngati matini. Lepte mule iye nantukusuri, lefika nya pepi ankoye. Alarmi, jerikam kanyan makaso palke, baby nang mali. Lafukam kanyan zika lampasatu manidili. Dinya fila, baby mafila. Dinya lafu. Ajiku akwai kudi. Ta jama ina sonki, yari yana aure ki. Baba Salma kalekin dine, njuma
Nkonko dine, nuni dine, awandine, no jeso pala nkonko. Nko dine, nuni dine, no jeso pala nkonko.
Akonya, other girls, my benya baba. Jelly polo muna bamba kanaba. Other ladies bad, but you better than Tan Larikana. I go fly you to Canada. And so mora makumini mako sanjoy. Come man, my baby girl, sunga ba joy. Amana nyazan to my ukucha. Kun shamans on the command sabro makusa sangaloy. Hey, you know I only you. Me nambala all the time, but you still looking new. That's when really hold the shaman them they on the barbecue. Cigar you even want, so just to my attitude. Then you mess your foot and play, yeah, I can accept it too. Uncle Yas and the dashing cap, tell them there is too. Look into the mirror, come and lay, yalla that you cute. Being a house in this morning world, they have
Nanka ko borama, nanka ko woko yuruma. Namba samsa, nabanak bama banda samsa. Nyakwala maloluli ya sobedera. Ngela nyala dine, domina pila unkonko dine, nuni dine, awandine, no jeso pala unkonko. Nko dine, nuni dine, no jeso pala unkonko. Unkonko dine, nuni dine, awandine, no jeso pala unkonko. Nko dine, nuni dine, no jeso pala unkonko.
Flames on the beat.
Alright. Nene saya. Mimi ya nanga fara katiani ne jakantega ka ba na minasen the Maristos Ghana Supernatural Green Tea no Kutam Enterprise Enterprise Police Boutique ne Unique Laundry ne ma besa hanya na ba me yare kiti ma punu ka program aka de kanama mpunya la ma one of the lyrical, yes, the number one stunner of a singer Don Singly the mino po hanyo retabia ka to drop video ta ko bolla la particular track ma ne ndene, yes, ma own mbalama ka Wisha Enterprise Fatland the young bull ka besa hanya bambe yiri pour ne pas danser le moment ya ma album maman ya la par album na balama antoti na ra pour de concours lergo te pas banji tonight got to drop it interessant ya. I mean very good songs from one album na balama. Don't teacher man, let's pick it from the beginning. Tu wumbele fe yanga, let's go.
Hey Rona Baba Melody Day
Kaya
ya wizibilio young boy fi the girl
wumela lyrics.
Baby you mama come on okwang low senses.
Allahu Akbar.
Me know each other share adjust the lenses.
Kaya
yeah. My to nyokan zero dare. ya dagora hidrolo ka de kurlare
Allahu akbar
wara bantrayo ya ko bounce baka kana te yelma ka te dalare
Allah
girl I want you to know me ayur no mo paya
no nazara kanya nazara let's start let's go again let's pick it up again teacher let's go woman
baby you want come on open no senses me know each other share adjust the lenses yeah my to nyo kan zirdare ya dagora hidrolo ka de kurlare wara bantrayo ya ko bounce baka kana te yelma ka te dalare and girl I want you to know me ayur no mo paya anyela ndine domina pilanko gongo dine nune dine I want dine no just so palankonko go dine nune dine no just so palankonko na wis chachara
teacher ma
Pola no soro bora daire kana wanzanga te mapine leke mole yananto kunsuhe na fika baby ankuhe alarme je kan maka superge baby nungale lafu kan zika lamba satuma nudile diya fila baby fila diya lafu adiku akwai kudito tejel tema na sonki yari ana aureki baba sama kalegen tene nduma zanga nti mapini konko dinde nune dinde awun dinde no jaso palanko young bull feed girl akonya other girls mambanya baba jele polo munda bamba Canada other ladies bad but you better than John Laura kana I go fly you to Canada so more makumi no manko zantu kuma mala very girls mo bo adu amana nya zantu ma unku cha ku nshi amazon kama zabra manku sa azara
young bull feed girl
akonya other girls mambanya baba jele polo munda bamba Canada the other ladies bad but you better than John Laura kana I go fly you to Canada so more makumi no manko zantu kuma mala baby girls mo bo adu amana nya zantu ma unku cha ku nshi amazon kama zabra manku sa azara you know only me no bala all the time, but you still looking new. Yasungwale what the shaman on the barbecue. You even once, or my attitude. Me Messi full-time player, aka substitute. Akunyasa no dashing kapele umbodere stew. Look into the mirror, come on lie and yell that you cute. Being a household in this modern world, they are few. Hey, Nankako Boroma, Nankako Go Yuruma. Hey, number samsa, Naban Bahama, Banda Samsa.
Allahu Akbar.
Ya Yirkwala Malo. Ya sojera
njale alhamdulillah
ya gala nyala dine domina pilanko gonko dine nune dine awun dine no jeso so palanko
after Fatan Rapma Versa encore changani ma
yeah hey nanka ko borma nanka ko yuruma
Allahu Akbar
namba samsa nabanna bamma baranda samsa nyirkwala maloloble ya sojera wa ya gala nyala dinde domina pilanko gongo dinde nune dinde awun dinde so dinga so la mala
no jawa hey dini kana ma alba na yida ni so tinya
na go so no murna ina ma mo ba.
This is gonna be a love anthem on the streets and everywhere. I'm very sure that you know when I want to para handi puramane enjoy the gatia because the malla itu kurgur kar samsini wur tab yorlam. Yes, am ku pigo no mun nya den ma ya ko ko le ba den amene na le reso no mun ka bondo nya den nyu kusango solo na won ga fara ka nye don so le yira ngoma nku package le venya nga nzangle pa ka bol lo pa de so le samsila Lada de tu. Ala ya ko ko to ruwe ko
Ati DJ CD kama pa.
No, ka pa ba sha. Anyway, that's very beautiful. Manda kunjela, yes. Manda nun katar kawum album from the beginning, man. And I tell you for a fact, there's no lie about that. That particular album, yinli comes and hadn't dropped the pune. The nyala standard on it own. The chisela de mama, but not to be compared with any other song in recent time. Woman, the comparison. Every single track, the insana the tolia. Okay, yes. Jakantega kabana within dons. Timin dons solo po hanyu tamaya. The channel on TV. Tumpo 3 songs kamala maya. Gungulyel go na banshi. Inte patin drop a shell song on the. All right, about the show. Nibo pampa. Muma yirna na album ayen launch me. Album ayen launch me. Yes.
Entire now you can continue la ba en la karja an la.
The sana mono.
Ali Mama Sports Stadium now you can.
Ayo be.
Ni ma ka tie la chita abo. La nyele.
Pale ni stadium ma. Kai don. Di yaba la.
Mami ala ko nyele so entire.
Okay.
Sha comes now you can de nyela tumal zale then ka lehrna by next month. Next month November puni. Maybe somewhere 28th November.
Okay.
Date
man ana semina bar mo be do confirm date man.
Because it's something now you part to 28th November.
Okay. Very well. To la kan borma.
Tenyala asabra da nti nyele.
Very well.
Then kan borna nzale ka pam solo jande, tan ko yila ka ya ipandi ma. Sahapa and the Wuhula Yurlama, when Shadow with the Pantamon, Bunny and Chica, the Bone Kamani, then on the Shalama, Benin Shirtaya, and then be careful to show the number was a lying Pansete, Katato, Kustama, Minutuma Kantuma, Kakuruma, and the Malterba was I did the Danfani at all times.
Very well, very well. Wow, so it is confirmed now. Nella Pala album Mumaya, now only something if you're paga on the 28th. Next month in Balama, November Balama, na Amal Meshul Tekana Alhaji Ali Muhammad Sports Stadium, Katisha Haranya Albamani and Shamia. Yes, Katon Solayan Nolama. We all agree that 3 songs from the album. The Conco de Simsia and Tono Shoe, Lola comes out, Hal Packet Telma, Yina the Bata Conco de Nayama and Tono Launchmania. What about Yilshanga de Napalemazaha? And quite apart from that, this is the time Katizaha Sati we need to support Thailand. I mean, there are so many people who are doing well, but this young guy certainly is outstanding. TNN the Tepom artist Shabanya representative going out of the region. I'm not sure that in Lu anywhere beyond Warlongoma. So the Simpson let you use Shumaku send a signals come on. This is the time for people to believe that there's talent in the region. Yakatizan have activity, make a particular movement. All right, done. If I am show stadium matches, I mean challenges younger than Canada. Take us through about the team, the preparedness for that particular show. But sometimes it is not just about but the outcome. I mean, the resources are feasible and stuff.
Now you can targa, and then but now you can targa is enough. From our side. Then Yalama thing and no shama. Now Gafardens and the no shamza. Now you can. Buying and then but program me inside the Belgian one no the Maconco, the Bianian way and Nolama, the Bangbas I am patronizing it.
Of course,
Bangbain Karama. Now you continue no Shamza, so come boom, Jamao Yella. Bang comes out me to do one yella banso one door G to do one like Jamano could be long comes out. O to do not never so far until Yellow and get them open, and beat like a venue, stage, sound, the shark comes out, and now you call it Yellow Bump, Reserve, Yellow, Carpalango, so inshallah, Yalama. We are set.
Very well, very well. Yes. Hal Alabama Punumama, Atesha Banda Pufichi that Alabama. I mean Fancy Gadam, Macasio, Double T, FT Mafixa, Wishal Fatlan, but Nakube Alabama Kunko, Offshore King Babier Puni. Tina could select a Kunko, including artist Mama. I'm very sure that Bukunko on the bill will make a nightmare very wonderful for us. Any of them are Angela. Great performer, and I believe that Bobama Nivo Shaban could support them. I mean, that have fans that could get me. Kapazahani agree that we are doing this for us, we are doing this for another region. I'm not sure that the program and the issues at all after the Yeah. So I'm very sure that this man maybe with time we'll get a little engagement as to artist Shabambiri I mean to say how career. So I mean I'm you can start from the social media handles the last word that is
yes. Entire social media handles like Facebook, the Kunyala Don Sole.
Okay.
You know, that is Malam personal account, catch a page, personal account, Madam Palia, but page number Panda, put him to follow him.
Okay.
You know, Don Sole, anytime can go back, and on Twitter, the Yala Don Sole, space got a solution, the Kutola Tower, and on Instagram, the Yala Don _ Sole, _ my dash, then you know, so Don _ Sole,
okay.
You know, and Anyama then Nunza Hazo, you know, and then Ukuborn Santa Saka Mandun Kunyala Soloma can pound the Jande, you know, I be on Facebook, I be on Twitter, I be on Instagram. Solo make young friends and papa album.
Of course,
it's so womanly balaka. Bakuya nivo, you know, you won't come later program. Abakuya nivo, you know, being nearby. Come on, 20 now. He part 28th. Don't so the Mal show stadium, okay. And then Pamma Manka Bazati, Kajir Super Haram.
Of course. I mean, album is an album, Balamaya. Like I said from the beginning, album would never make a history in Northern region. I'm not sure that Tinlamal pride in us that the Malbansi, because this is an album that is international. Every single song in that album, okay, now could judge him that album by the 3 songs that you've had, which is Google, Lelgo, and the Pabanji, can I change it into official song? And this I had the human with videos, and this I had videos for standard man bishop. So let entry to so come as especially the industry players, I mean Facebook promoters, Mazaha, date mapa buyer, I mean 20 let's make sure that there is an anthem already. Date mama, let's sing it everywhere we are, got to make sure that team now got for the stadium, got the pelfin, cutting your album money and thank you so much for coming. The book up papa, comes a hand of Katari, Kaba and TV the program. Yes, we can now qualify the production team Mazaha, tell Angela the book up pass come as a hand by Yindi. I mean, simply soldiers, my far in here, Bambi, Ankara, Kumahi, Bambi Taman was a Hamala, actually, the date mapa by got a promoter lake, Kala did man, and then partner than nationally, now something if you're paggy, got staying at the top on that particular album. Yes, and then there's the one I know, I mean, face market, just joke at the bad side.
Yes. In time, the Nella, them be like the Tenji Sasha or the Pombe YouTube.
Okay, the
YouTube, yes. I YouTube and this here, don't sell music channel.
Okay.
Can the Conco, English number videos, Zaha, Yala on the toy, you know, and then Yala, the video map on Yala, them the YouTube, yeah. So I Yala on the toy chant streaming on YouTube, you know. Entire Aumia.
Okay.
Baby, your mama come on, oh, no senses. Me know each other, adjust lenses. Yeah. My turn your can zero dare. Yet the guara you don't look at the cool lare. What about try ya go bounce over Kakana Yamaka dollar? Yeah, I want you to know. Me a you the more fire. Anya Lanjine, Domina Pilanco, Gongo Jimbe, Nune Jimbe, I won't Jimbe, no just a Palanco.
The sire, check out here, the Puka Pound comes out about the program on TV production team as always. No Puka Paso Kamazaha Ahmed. Yes, thank you so much. Ahmed, so one who in charge of production Mazahaya. I mean, camera divide Batamazaha, Munizere Burkano, the Yanga to Puyaka Papam. Abigail Mefa, I always thank you so much. Hamdi Yalari Dia, my sweet baby girl, thank you so much. Chajanya, Sadegala Mumbe MCR, we most grateful. Thank you so much. Tanya Mulila Pamagua. All right, Shahid Yala Mumbe Across the News. Thank you so much. We appreciate. I mean, certainly soldiers, my team, Mazaha. You don't let him mama be a team, Marka, Papa, or some soldiers team, team, Papa, you know, Papa, yeah, and so entire now, Lana, entire the Palanter and Ted Bono, Canita. Okay. Zone like a Kazoni or birthday. Oh, okay. You know, very wonderful. Happy birthday to Canita. You know, okay. That's very cool. Oh, the Chalvia, I would tell you, turn up pop shop. Yeah, turn up pop shop. I would tell you, the Catale, the postpone that baby celebration. But they drop an extra at the papa shop in Maya. I mean, thank you so much. Momo comes a Haba program at the Poyaka Papa. Yes, honey, thank you so much. Look up and iti. You know, come go on and put it on one as I have bumpy. Yes, look at yes, just. Marahaba. Yan ang dami sa waka bangbagar ko mga nitiri chang so kan sa par banga tama ni ku nyel share kam yinsan ma yum ka sa ta ko lang ko man panga Muhammad Hafiz the trainer we out bye bye salam.